I just installed the 5500 BTU Sharp in this downstairs bedroom. Unfortunately, the GE Quiet Kool that I had in here was freezing up completely after being on for a while. So I just decided to go to a different unit. I think this one will work great. Alright. Turn it on fan first, see how quiet it is. And I'll turn on local. And I now have the 6300 BTU Emerson Quiet Kool installed in the kitchen. That Coronado is cool, but it's just a little undersized for this room. That's only a 5000 BTU, so I wanted something that was above 6000. Alright, let's start it up. It's hot in here. Go to lowest temperature setting and high cool. I think this one will work real nice in here.